Okay, children. So now the next question that we are going to start is find the HCF by division method. This division is not new for you. Yes, we have recently completed with division. Now the thing is, you must know how to find out HCF by using this method. Okay, so let me take an example. Suppose I take 5, 15 and 20. Okay, this is a number given to you. Now you have to divide. You know that three numbers cannot be divided at a time. So what I will do, I will take this and this number as the first two numbers to divide it. Fine, I'll make this bracket for division. Now which number has to come outside, the smaller number or the greater number? Of course the smaller number will be written out and the greater number will go inside. Okay, now check. Can you get this 15 in the table of 5? Yes, we can get it. How many times? 3 times. So 5 3 is 15. I'll subtract it. This I get 0 0. It is divisible by 5. Now 5 is the number by which I was able to divide this 15 completely. Now this third number is left. I'll again make a bracket. Now I will divide this 20 by 5 only, because not because this is written here the first number, because this 5 is completely dividing 15, means remainder is 0 that we are getting here. फाइन, तो जिस भी नंबर से हमें रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा हमें वही नंबर यहाँ ब्रैकेट के बाहर लिखना है थर्ड नंबर को डिवाइड करने के लिए. सो आई राइट दिस 5 हियर. अब 5 की टेबल में 20 आएगा. यस, इट विल बी 4 टाइम्स. सो 5 4 is 20. Subtract it. 0 0. Fine, finished. Now you can write the answer that HCF is equal to 5. Now you may be having a doubt. Okay, now you want to check your work. Then we will now check this work by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is drawing the lines and writing the numbers separately this way, right? Okay, so the next number is 15 and the third number was 20. Fine, I have written it. Now I will start finding out the prime factors. Now this is 5. Is this 5 divisible by any other number except 5? No. So here I will write 5 ones are 5. Always remember that whenever we are finding out HCF, this side all the numbers that you are writing should be a prime number. प्राइम का मतलब होता है ऐसे नंबर जो 1 की टेबल में आते हों या खुद की टेबल में आते हों, राइट? सो दोज नंबर्स ओनली शुड बी रिटर्न आउटसाइड हियर, नो कंपोजिट नंबर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 15. 15 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? क्या ये 2 की टेबल में आता है? नहीं. देन आई गो टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर, दैट इज 3. क्या ये 3 की टेबल में आता है? यस. सो 3 5 is 15. अगेन आई एम गेटिंग हियर 5. 5 किसकी टेबल में आएगा? ऑफ कोर्स द नंबर इटसेल्फ. सो 5 1 is 5. नाउ दिस इज 20. लास्ट नंबर इज 0. दैट मीन्स आई कैन स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 2. सो 2 10 is 20. देन इज दिस डिविजिबल बाय 2? यस. जब तक ये 2 से डिवाइड होता जाएगा तब तक हमें 2 से ही डिवाइड करना है. फाइन. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 2 5 are 10. नाउ अगेन हियर दिस इज 5. It will be 5 1s are 5. Okay, now we will find out the HCF. What are the prime factors of 5? Only 5. Prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5 and prime factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. What is the common number in all the three that you are getting? That is 5. So HCF, हमें ग्रुप में से सिर्फ एक को ही बाहर निकालना है, तो HCF is 5. Now you can see this way also you are getting HCF as 5. This way also you are getting the HCF as 5. Now the thing is how to check whether this HCF what you are getting is right or not. Okay, to check the answer, the HCF that you are getting, now just say the table of 5. 5 की टेबल में 5 आता है जो क्वेश्चन में तुम्हें नंबर दिया है, राइट? ये 5 आता है क्या? 5 की टेबल में आता है. 5 1 is 5. क्या ये 5 की टेबल में 15 आता है? आता है. क्या ये 5 की टेबल में 20 आता है? आता है. दैट मीन्स योर HCF इज करेक्ट. ओके.